It's a prank. These aren't real gifts. Hi guys, it's your girl Shanice and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21.
Yeah, we passed 20, so that means we're going on 21.
21.
Mommy, don't put it in your ear.
What you whispering? Jesus, what happened them for watch out my gas tank? Murder, my fuel gauge can't live in peace. Javi, that's a lot of gas in my opinion. Know yourself. After what the other day,
2 and 1 0.
we ain't gonna let that happen, okay? Don't worry about yourself.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. So guys, we're on the road today, and today is literally like the last set of, you know, on the road shopping, and we're just trying to get some last minute stuff that we didn't get throughout December. It is basically the last day of shopping because come the next couple of days, which is like 4 days away from Christmas, the festivities shall reign, okay? So look out for a lot of Christmas cheer, nullium vibes, when I'm on the road in the house, and we'll get a lot done, okay? Guys, how are you feeling about Vlogmas Day 21?
Good, 2006.
21.
And I feel how many episodes we can make it 2000.
Really? Yes, Javi, I'm listening. Look at what? What happened to your face? What is wrong with these kids? With a bashko? Remember I told you the other day that we needed a rug? So we're going to hurry up and go in a bashko, see if we can get a rug. Then next we're going to go to a super secret spot, guys. And we can't vlog it because Daddy watches the video. We can't let the puss out of the bag. So we're going to get Daddy's gift today. Well, one off. Probably the only one because the rest of them they are China.
Can you look at me?
The rest of them they're on the wife, guys. But we're gonna see what we can get today. I'm looking at you.
Fine.
I have everything.
Can we like bead one?
Sure. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go.
We're good though.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. So these are all the mats that they have. Guys, so the mats here. Leave the clocks. We don't need clocks, baby. We don't use clocks. But we need a mat. That's what we need. You use clock? We don't need no clock.
Yeah, we do use clock.
To do what?
To see the time.
We use our phones to tell the time. What is?
I really don't know what kind of time.
These are green. Blue. No, we need a solid color. Boys, stay close where I can see you. Need a solid, nice color. Not too big, not too small. Alright, so we're getting one. We finally picked one. We got this dark gray. It's 100 by 100.
Can I have the glasses?
3 by 5 feet. 5 by 12, I don't know. But we're getting this one. Hey, can you bring this for me, please? Guys, you know I'm gonna window shop. Look at these. So cute. They have so many different vases, picture frames. I'm not into pictures though. Sorry. These are lovely. The ones up top are lovely. Alright, boys, let's go. We don't have 7-Eleven here, my love. Jamira asked me if we pass in a 7-Eleven. Where you see 7-Eleven? Every day them get up, them ask me for McDonald's and all of these. What do you call it now? US things that we don't have here. And I just tell them that, you know, one day we're gonna take a little trip. They also want to go to Disneyland, right, guys?
I want to go to Disneyland. See Mickey Mouse.
Mickey, you want to see? Really? I don't know. I don't think Sonic is a Disney cartoon. But guys, I've always wanted to go to Disney myself. I always say if I go to Disney, I go to enjoy myself. So I don't know who I would do. Would I have to go?
This is my.
I have to go. I have babysitter for them because
Mommy?
no kids now stop my Disney shine. Okay? Yes, my love.
gonna be my first time seeing Disney.
Mine too, baby. I did not go when I was little. I've always wanted to, but I just didn't get the chance. So I'm gonna live vicariously through my kids and book a trip to Disneyland. Speaking it into being, guys. 2025, we're going to Disneyland. Yes, speaking it into being. 2025, I want to travel more with the kids, of course. Yeah, we want to go on a few vacation and things like that, but I'd love to travel with the boys. I mean, there's so much fun to be around. You know, sometimes.
25?
Yeah, 2025. So gone are the days when we used to like do hotel hopping and, you know, drop the kids off to their grandma's house or whoever. That was keeping them for us. Now we really want to take them along with us so they can experience, you know, all the fun stuff too. They're big boys now, so they're more on the responsible side. We don't really have to worry about, you know, cuddling them or them needing constant attention. They can manage themselves. So I would not be opposed to taking them on trips for the future. The whole point of having kids early in life is that you can get to enjoy life with them. Because I feel like, oh my god, why didn't you give me a heart attack? I feel like if I had put off having kids like in my later years, I would be focusing on, you know, enjoying my 20s, building a career and stuff like that. But I don't see life without my kids. They're just so much joy when they're not wreaking havoc. So that's something I want to do with them, is to enjoy life with them, have experiences with them, and that includes travel, that includes you know, just developing ourselves, because we have this thing where we don't really get to spend much time as a family. So I want to like include some traditions starting this Christmas, family traditions of our own, where, you know, we just do stuff as a family. We like try developmental things, for example, learning a new language. Guys, do you want to learn a new language? What language do you want to learn? Talk to me. I did Spanish in high school. I want to learn Spanish, or I want to perfect or improve my Spanish. Let me not say perfect, because I don't know if I'll ever be fluent in Spanish, but it's something I'd be interested in doing. You have French. Which other languages you want to learn, my love? Japanese, Frenchies. You may have on your seatbelt. You make the people them rub me, you know, put on your seatbelts. Alright? So that's the goal. And for anybody who has a family, like, you know how hard it is to like spend quality time. So luckily life has afforded me a job that I can work from home. I get to spend time with my kids. I get to do all the things that I love to do without having to sacrifice, you know, that special time with my loved ones. So that's something I'm super grateful for. So yeah, guys, on our way to destination number 2, and the taxi man here, come out of the road, please. On our way to destination number 2, and yeah, I'll pick up afterwards, because as I said, secret, top secret. So yeah, I'll catch you guys. Guys, we're heading to the shipping company to do a quick pickup. I think I have just 2 small packages. The real package, Jamie, wait a minute, man. The package that I really want is not here as it. But we'll just grab these 2. Come on, my love, it's this way. We'll just grab these 2 and then head out. So I'll get the food, because I'm starving. It's right here. Yeah, push.
The door?
Oh. Yeah.
Oh.
Good afternoon.
Back to the
Afternoon. Can I sit here if you want? This one is eating. Shoes off, well comfortable. This one is lying down. This is not your house, you know. This is a shipping company. Sit up, my lord. This is where you live? Javi, you cannot be standing up here. You have to sit down. Put on your shoes.
What is E-F-F-O?
Well, the H is missing. It's supposed to say hello.
It's supposed to say hello, but it's called now hello.
And the H is missing.
Hello.
Yeah.
I think they will soon find it.
Huh?
I think they will soon find it.
I'm tired. We'll soon go home and sleep, alright? Sit down and come over here. issues. I'm being a few. After me, I try to go. Look at this, be on the best feeling ever.
Pikachu!
Hold on. I have a question. How the Christmas looking? Come on, packages. It's a receipt at the warehouse. Which warehouse is it? In Kingston? What?
Total $587.
It's a receipt that the warehouse that is in.
Receive at origin.
So it's on the flight?
It's gonna be on the flight.
2 days. Okay. So we can go praise it. Package right Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got everything is possible.
That is it.
On the back it said push.
Yeah, that's it.
Mommy, are you gonna sit over here?
Sure.
Okay, sit with us.
Give me a second. So we're in Pizza Hut, of course. Ordered the amazing 4.
Thinking I'm gonna have my
You
pizza.
have to say a grace before you eat.
God is good. God is
Take that.
Let us thank Him for our food. Amen.
Okay, good.
Okay, now I have my cheese sticks.
Gabby's having pepperoni. Here you go, my love.
Okay, thank you.
Jamir is having his cheesy sticks. Let me open this for you.
Okay. I need to take that thing out. I like dipping it into the
Put it back in. Put the sauce in the box. There you go.
Where are you?
Young man, so before leaving at home by himself. So of course, I'm having Hawaiian. You like Hawaiian?
I like the food that you get.
You like pizza in general? These boys are so picky, they don't want anything on their pizza but pepperoni. Jamir doesn't want anything on his pizza, so he just gets the cheesy sticks, right? And so we have napkins here when you finish. One for you, one for you. That one is for your food, that one is for your hands. How you boys rate the food?
You want now the 2,000 unlimited.
What do you think, Javi? It's good? To Javi finished one slice already and I'll go for more. I'm still on my first slice.
I do 2.
Sure.
1, 2.
That's not 2, that's 5.
No. Let me take a boo.
Home sweet home. I have packages in the car.
Hi, Duo.
I'm gonna have to go for them myself. Okay.
Oh, I just took off my shoes. 2 shoes. New shoes.
Let's continue. Go.
Hey!
I'm gonna take off your clothes.
I want to keep them on.
No, you have to take off those dirty clothes. Have kids, they said. They'll be helpful, they said. So we are back home. And the boys have been nagging me to do some gift wrapping, you know, just put their gifts out underneath the tree. Thank you. Put them on the counter for me, please. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I am tired though. I'm gonna go take a look at show. I just feel icky and disgusting. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna wrap gifts, guys. I don't know if I'm like the best at gift wrapping, but I'm gonna try a thing.
Oh, you
I have some wrapping paper that I bought at Azan's, you know, I have my tape and everything. You boys wanna help me wrap the gifts?
Yeah, wait.
Them already know why not to gift them, guys. No lie. Number one, they picked out 2 of their gifts when we went to that new Home Depot in Portmore, so they already know what's in that. Their daddy got them 2 gifts and I got them 2 as well, so they have 3 gifts each, and I think that's good enough, you know, because we're not trying to make it all about the gifts at all.
How do we have 3?
But it's still something nice, you know, to just treat them at Christmas time, so we got them
Mommy,
gifts. Yes, my love.
how do we have 3 gifts each?
Because you guys picked out 1 Mommy picked out one and Daddy picked out one.
What? So I just picked out this one.
So you have 3.
And I just picked out this one.
I don't know much gift under the tree for me this year, guys. I'm still stressed because one of my packages not reach yet. So fingers crossed, Lord, come through for me, please, and you know, help me get it here before Christmas because it's gonna sticky if it not reach. But at my fault still. 2 last minute. It wasn't really last minute. It's just that there was like a card revision, right? I used the wrong card. When I use my rewards card. So if you don't know, if you use NCB, they give you like a little reward at the end of each year. Basically, you can use it throughout the year, but it's accumulating throughout the year. And that's the card that I used mainly. So them charged the card and it wasn't enough money wasn't on it, so that kind of delayed my shipments a bit, and you know, a Christmas rush that make it worse. Then we say Amazon work as a strike, and I'm like, oh Lord, just smile up. But guys, keep me in your prayers, wish me luck, and hopefully stay tuned to see if I get them in time. If not, it's totally fine because you know, we're understanding adults. Hint, hint. So yeah, guys, let's go wrap these gifts and call it a day.
Call it a day, guys. Bye.
Got the boys this big ass monster truck. More than likely they're gonna have to share it, but that's okay. They got some Transformers, Avengers, Sonic. That's all they're interested in right now. Also got them. I wanna fight with this. Shanice, stop fighting with this stuff. They also asked for minis. So these are actually Avengers minis. So they have all the miniature characters, and I think they can stretch. I think they're like stretchies. I'm trying to not let the cat out of the bag, and hopefully they don't watch this video. And last thing I got is something that Gabby has been asking for. I don't know if you guys remember, like a couple vlogs back, they're literally fighting over this old beaten up transformer they had from Whoopi Kill Philip. So I got them a upgraded model. And this is it, and it can actually transform because the other one couldn't really do much. It could light up in the beginning stages, but this one can actually transform into like a truck or something, so I know they're gonna love this. So I'm gonna hurry up and wrap these, put them under the tree, and then we're gonna put a little prank on them. Okay, so I'm finished wrapping gifts. They're all here and ready to go under the tree, but I remember a couple years back we decided to prank the boys and give them basically unorthodox or unconventional Christmas gifts. So I think we gave them a light bulb and a charger, and they were like so happy and excited that they got a light bulb and a charger for Christmas. It was hilarious. I'll see if I can find the video and pop it up here.
Giving the boys terrible gifts to see how they would react.
You can open it. What do you got, Jabby?
A light.
Light? You like it? Jabby, what you got?
And the charger.
The charger, you like it?
Yes.
Wow, it's so cool, right?
Look.
You love it, say thank you, Mommy.
More.
So we're doing a similar prank now. I have wrapped a deodorant and a hairbrush, and I'm gonna give it to them and see how they react. Let's see if they're still appreciative. Let's see if they're going to cry and be like, Mom, what kind of gift is this? So yeah, guys, let's go. Look what I got!
Now we can open it?
No, but we gotta put them under the tree. Come help me.
Okay. Wait.
Hold it.
They wrapped the Optimus Prime?
Oh.
I won. Wait. I know this one. I know which I won. Oh, I know
Whose is it?
that one is not. Oh, I know who this.
More in the soil
I know
room.
this one is Kadil's. This one.
There's more in the soil room. Go get it for me. Let me fix it.
Okay. This one.
Well, I have another surprise for you. Sit right there.
What is it?
Wait, hold on. So, boys, Mommy has a little surprise.
What is it?
I'm going for the surprise. Close your eyes. Close them. I'm going for it. Hold on.
I really want to know. Why do we can open our eyes?
You can open them now. Hold your hand. Close your eyes. Close them again. Hold on. Close them. Keep them closed. Keep them closed.
it went in your hand.
Keep them closed. Alright. Don't open them yet. So I'm giving you guys some surprise gifts. You can open them now. Open. Quick. Open. Open them.
A comb.
Yay!
And this.
What's that?
A thing.
Deodorant.
They were into it for you.
No, it's for you to put under your armpits. Think about your gifts.
I love it.
You love those gifts? Jeffy, what do you think about your gift?
I can put my hair. I like the color blue.
You like the color blue?
Yeah, want me to try it?
Aww. You think those are the best gifts ever?
Yes. I love it.
You love it?
Wait.
Aw, you guys are
Wait,
so
Mommy.
sweet. So, as you can see, the boys love their gifts, right?
Yeah.
You think these are nice gifts?
Yeah.
How much do you think they cost?
$2,000.
What? And you think this is the best gift in the world?
And I think this one paid for $600.
You guys are so sweet. So as you can see, the boys love their gift. But boys, I must say, it's a prank. These aren't real gifts.
Wow.
You have heard of it? These aren't real gifts, man. I'm going to buy you a brush and a deodorant. I was just trying to prank you. But see, they're so appreciative. They still love their gift. Javi's like, I love the color blue. So guys, okay, sorry for tricking you. So that's the end of Vlogmas Day 21. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's festivities, guys, because your girl is coming out. So hint, Javi, stop. No. Hint. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode of Vlogmas.
I have a gun.
Jimmy, you want to them from my video? No gun talk over here. Now rub off your face with the clothes. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.
No man, you fought up a place. Jamir, are you fought up a place? What's that smell?
It's Javi.
Come in the ears. Oh, your ears feel so hot. Get up with your...
Why do your earpiece so hot then? What did it feel your ear?
It's not me.
What was your daddy?
You jump your ears. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow.